It's Chile that get the match underway. Crosses into the penalty area, so she is something of an expert here at set-piece time. Floats that one in towards the far post, and Chile will be a little concerned that was concern here. This is the only match that matters, but she's on a bit of a tightrope now for the rest of the match. Bacheva Luis had to be alert at the far post. Here comes Chile again, Francisca. And that should be an easy one for the keeper at full stretch, but it's a free kick. Delivered by Lopez towards the near post. All it needed was a touch, and the touch goes just wide from Zamora, who applauds the delivery of Lopez. Hughes may well have had that covered at Araya with the free kick. Plays for Madrid. And that one straight through, a couple of months behind the oldest player in this squad. Ball far post, chance, straight into the hands. In the end, the flag was up anyway. Switch of play, not for the first time. Guerrero to Zamora. Araya. Olav getting forward. Hughes comes, can't hold though. And whistle goes in favour of the goalkeeper. Down to 10. Araya is off getting attention. Flicked on dangerously, but no has been left a little wanting. And a wonderful header just over the bar from Keith. Flag is up. Would not have counted. Close there. Well, that was a very close call. May well have been looked at by... Into a minimum 6 minutes of time added at the end of this first half. And now can Ayiti capitalise. Dumond into the area. Look at the power. What a goal! Melchi Dumond, the absolute superstar of Haitian women's football. Corventina has put her team in front. He is at the moment. This is just power. Look at the pace. Look at the strength. The finish is stunning. She wins the ball, delivers, and runs. Far too much pace for Carla Guerrero. Well, come the big matches, the big moments, come the superstar players. Stunning from Melchi Dumond. Ayiti lead, and so with a long time to go, they have 1 foot in the World Cup finals. Borgella, can they make it 2 in the closing stages? Borgella shoots. What an opportunity. Ketnalui, who one of 2 players from Haiti booked in that first half. Borgella might get around the back of them here. Rose Borgella into the area. Still has time to shoot or pick out a teammate, and a chance for the skipper Mondazir. It's a good ball played in. They don't clear it away, and they do it the second chance. They all... Chile right from the get-go. Here they come again. Hughes, this time, is able to collect.
Alors, merci Jean-Samuel. Heureusement, plus de père que de mal pour nous. C'est pas malheureusement. Merci. Oh voilà, Nélia Molézeur qui te fait sentir là, mais malheureusement.
Borgella for Dumond. Mondazir in the penalty area. Dumond might find her, might ignore her, looks for further support. Now she finds her skipper on the right foot. Chile with plenty of players back, and Haiti reticent to send too many forward. Dumond somehow finds room for the shot, and now the flag them to do just that. The because they go direct into midfield, and maybe Haiti think they've got the physical prowess to win those challenges. On chance now, Montezier goes clattering into Endler. Zamora in space. Zamora cuts in. Zamora might be in on goal. Just went wide. Saved at the near post. Always going wide. On that occasion, see, that's a clever pass getting in behind the back of the Haitian defence. Mornay, what can she spark? Has the only goal of the match. And Borgella is away down this left wing side. No flag as yet. Still no flag. Borgella off the post. And now the flag goes up. No question that there is a shirt pull. Absolutely no question. On the face of that, it may appear a very easy decision for referee Salima Mukansanga. But is there enough to warrant the penalty being given? And there is. Montezier. Strike, save, Engler. Cleared away off the line. One captain denies another captain, and Chile stay alive. She guessed the right way. It wasn't a great penalty, and she got down to save, and then they recovered and kept it away off the line. Tries to swing that across Endler. It's awkward. She saves. All hands on deck for Haiti. Zamora skips around. Louis Grez can pick her spot. Goes to the penalty spot. Header just wide. Curly Thew seemed to be so calm, and I'm not sure she realised just how close that was. Very nearly with an equaliser. Free header. Lopez from distance. Lopez off the crossbar on the rebound. Goes wide. What a bullet. Yesenia Lopez. May well have been fingertips on that from Thews. And they were Cup finals. A substitute with a first touch. Clever 1-2. Montezier for Demornay. Demornay the goal scorer. Demornay scores the second! Surely Melchi Demornay has played her nation into history. Moments from the end of added time. Haiti double their advantage and surely now are destined to return. Chile out on their feet. It's a clever, measured finish. The first touch was crucial, the second was clinical. Sliding it across the face of goal beyond Christian Endler, 11 minutes. Thews punches, doesn't get it. Zamora, they've got a lifeline. There is their lifeline. How much time is there? We've had it all, we've had some substitutions. How much time is there?